Hello, welcome back to the channel Cybersecurity Nation. Last time we talked about how to install Kali Linux operating system on virtual machine. So I showed you the step-by-step guide on installing the Kali Linux OS. If you haven't seen the video yet, you can just head to the channel Cybersecurity Nation on YouTube and watch this video right here. It's just about 15 minutes clip here. So today we're going to troubleshoot the Kali Linux operating system, which we already installed here, and ensure that the IP range of the virtual machine OS is same as the IP range of our host OS. In my case, it is Windows OS. So we're also going to be checking that we can ping net websites, we can come online, and we are on full screen mode. So before we get started, if you're new to this channel, please like, share, and subscribe for more free ethical hacking tutorials. And don't forget to hit the notification bell so you don't miss our next tutorial on ethical hacking. Let's get started. First, we check we're in full screen mode. So obviously here I'm on full screen mode. So next, I want to check the network IP range of our Kali Linux machine is same as the network IP range of our host OS. To do that, I have to open the terminal. I'll right click on my desktop to open terminal here, click. And yes, this is the terminal we're going to be using a lot for these tutorials because in ethical hacking, we're going to be using the terminal to execute commands. And don't worry about that. We're going to create a video on how to use the Linux machine, the basics of Linux for beginners. So that's why it's good to subscribe to our channel so you get a notification whenever we update our channel and post new videos that might be helpful in your ethical hacking journey. Here, our IP range. Let's start by say we want to check the Google website. We just type ping google.com, press enter. So if we are able to get response back, this means we have connectivity. So in order to stop this process from running, what we have to do is use press the Ctrl C on our keyboard to stop the execution. So this is a good sign that we have connectivity. So next, to check our IP interface, we just type ifconfig, click enter. So here's our IP address, ATH here. So these are IP address here, 192.168.0.79. This is our IP address of our Kali Linux operating system. To check the IP address of our host operating system, in my case, Windows operating system here, I just say CMD, open the command prompt on my window. Just okay. And type ipconfig, click enter. So this will bring the interface up. Yeah. So to compare the IP address, my IPv4 address range is 192.168.0.43. So here's 192.168.0.79. So the IP range of my Kali Linux OS is similar to the IP range, is on the same range of my host operating system. So this is good to go. Just in case your IP range is different from your host operating system, I'm going to remind you of what we did last time. The settings, you go to your virtual machine, select Kali Linux, settings, and then network. Attached to, select the bridged adapter. Make sure this is your option chosen, and then click on OK. In our case, we've already selected it. So if this doesn't solve the problem of IP range, just drop a message or your questions in the comments box. I will do my best to answer any question and provide a solution. So this is good to go. For the now, I think that's all we need to do. We can just clear up the screen, and we've checked the full screen mode, and we've checked the network connectivity. And so thank you for watching my video. Once again, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more free ethical hacking tutorials, and hit the notification bell so you get our next tutorial guide. So thank you and see you soon.